Let's learn double crochet. For double crochet, we have already made a chain. We will work in the fourth chain from the hook. We will yarn over and go in the fourth chain from the hook. First, second, third and fourth. Insert the hook, pull the yarn, wrap the yarn, pull through 2 loops only, and again we have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So this is how we will make double crochet. Again, now we will work in the next chain, yarn over, go in the next chain, insert the hook, pull the yarn, again we have 3 loops on the hook, we'll yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is how we'll make double crochet. Again yarn over, go in the next chain, insert the hook, pull the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again 2 loops we have on the hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. This is how we'll make double crochets. Hope you like my tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.